videotaping. Our week is up. Driving out of the Keys now. Feeling very heavy-hearted today. I love this place. But I wouldn't want to live here. It's too hot, a bit too far from everything. But it is beautiful.
Is it recording?
Yes. Look at that waterspout.
It's amazing. Can't really see it on the screen.
It's on the water too.
Oh, it's hitting the water. Do you see that?
Pause it for a minute.
Look at it hitting the water, look.
Yeah. It's filming.
Oh my, that's so beautiful. There's a waterspout coming from that cloud and it's actually hitting the ocean. Incredible. I've never seen anything like it. Oh my word, look at that. It's a waterspout from heaven.
That's a tornado over water.
Wow. Look at it. I hope this is picking it up.
That's why it's zoomed in.
It's incredible.
Turn it this way a bit. Yeah. I don't know. I don't think you are getting it. That's it. Now I can see it. You weren't filming.
Is that it there?
Yeah. That's amazing.
Do you want to stop and start it again?
Yeah.
Give it. Okay. Look how it's hitting the ocean. That's incredible.
Oops.
That is amazing. Gosh. Look how it's hitting the water.
Where's my camera? See if I can get a picture of that. You film over your shoulder here, huh? Because if I get out the car, it's gonna.
That is. Have you ever seen that?
Never.
Oh my.
That is amazing.
you want to take the window down?
No, no. You could, but it's gonna
It'll
steam up my
it up. Yeah,
camera.
don't. Gosh.
That is amazing.
So that's what it's called, a waterspout?
Waterspout.
Never seen it before.
Let me get it with my phone. Oops, it's on
Yeah,
the
dude,
cell
so I
phone.
want to send it to Calvin.
Oh, wow.
Look at that. It's moving slightly, right?
Of course.
Can you hold this? I can do it on my phone.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Wow. I would do it sideways.
Yes, I'll change it now.
Stop it. Keep it on. The boat there racing through the water.
Can't see it, can you?
Not really, but it's all right. Here, I want to get over here. We're almost upon the boat, so I'll hand it back to you. Here we go, coming back around.